Have you ever played with magnets? They're super cool. Magnets can attract or repel each other in certain types of metal objects. This invisible force is called magnetism, and it's a fascinating part of our everyday lives. Magnets are like magic, but even better because they're real science. They have two poles, a north and a south pole, and opposite poles attract each other while like poles repel. This is why magnets can stick to your fridge or pick up paper clips. We find magnets in so many things around us. They're in your headphones, your refrigerator door, and even in your computer's hard drive. Magnets help convert electrical energy into mechanical energy, which is essential for many devices we use daily. And even in your toys. Magnetic toys are not only fun, but also educational, helping kids learn about the principles of magnetism through play. Magnets make our lives easier and more fun. From holding notes on the fridge to helping in complex machinery, they are incredibly versatile. Magnetic tools can make household chores simpler and more efficient. Let's find out how these amazing things work. Scientists study magnetic fields to understand how they interact with different materials. By learning more about magnetism, we can develop new technologies and improve existing ones. A magnet is any object that creates a magnetic force. This force is what allows magnets to attract or repel other objects. Magnets come in various shapes and sizes, from small fridge magnets to large industrial magnets used in machinery. This force is invisible, but we can see it in action. When you sprinkle iron filings around a magnet, they align themselves along the magnetic field lines, creating beautiful patterns that reveal the hidden force at work. Magnets attract certain metals like iron, nickel, and cobalt. These metals are known as ferromagnetic materials. When a magnet comes close to these materials, it exerts a force that pulls them towards it. They have two poles, a north pole and a south pole. These poles are where the magnetic force is strongest. If you cut a magnet in half, each piece will still have a north and a south pole. Here's the fun part. Opposite poles attract each other while like poles repel. This means that the north pole of one magnet will attract the south pole of another, but two north poles will push each other away. It's like a dance of push and pull. Magnets are constantly interacting with each other and their environment, creating a dynamic and fascinating display of forces at play. Every magnet has something called a magnetic field around it. Think of it like an invisible bubble of energy. This field is what allows magnets to interact without even touching. It's what makes a compass needle point north. The Earth itself is like a giant magnet with its own magnetic field. That's why compasses work. We use magnets in so many ways. From the moment we wake up to the time we go to bed, magnets are quietly working behind the scenes to make our lives easier and more efficient. They help us store information on computers and hard drives. Without magnets, the data storage devices we rely on every day wouldn't function. Imagine a world without computers, smartphones, or even the internet. They power electric motors that run everything from our cars to our washing machines. These motors convert electrical energy into mechanical energy, making our appliances and vehicles operate smoothly and efficiently. Magnets are even used in medical equipment like MRI machines to take pictures inside our bodies. How cool is that? These powerful magnets create detailed images that help doctors diagnose and treat various conditions, improving patient care and outcomes. Magnets may seem like magic, but they're a powerful force of nature that we use every day. From holding notes on our refrigerators, to lifting heavy metal objects in industrial settings, magnets are incredibly versatile and essential. Science helps us understand and use this amazing force to make our lives better in so many ways. Researchers and engineers are constantly discovering new applications for magnets, pushing the boundaries of technology and innovation. The future holds even more exciting possibilities for this fascinating force of nature.